I can say with certainty there is going to be a referendum on the future of the island. We don't know when. We know the British government doesn't want to do it. We know this current Taoiseach doesn't want to do it. We know the Unionists don't want to do it. But it's going to happen, because that's the direction of travel, and that's what all the indicators are, and that's what we are totally and absolutely committed to working with others to bring about. So there's going to be a referendum, and what we need to do is to not recommit Brexit. We need to plan, we need to talk, we need to dialogue, and that is also the challenge for unionism. Whatever about their position, and they're entitled to it, we do need to explore. This is their place. It's our place collectively as an island people. We need to start trying to figure out, can things be better? And there are indicators there that there are people who would be traditionally unionist or who would be committed to the union. But they're starting to wonder, are they valued by London? Are they valued by the British system? Would they not have a better say in an Irish national democracy, or whatever form of democracy people decide to put together?